Elon Musk announced a new AI chip manufacturing initiative called TerraFab, aimed at producing chips at massive scale for Tesla and SpaceX. This highlights a major shift in the AI industry, where companies are moving towards controlling their own hardware instead of relying on third-party suppliers. The focus is now on compute power, and chip manufacturing is becoming a critical competitive advantage. Snowflake introduced a more simplified, managed AI platform designed to reduce the need for large engineering teams. The goal is to make AI deployment easier for businesses by removing complexity. This reflects a broader trend where companies are trying to make AI more accessible and easier to integrate into existing systems. China is accelerating development in what is called embodied AI, which refers to AI systems integrated into physical machines such as robots. This is being positioned as a major economic driver, especially in manufacturing and industrial automation. The shift indicates that AI is moving beyond software into real-world physical applications. A recent Gartner survey shows that the biggest challenge for companies is not adopting AI technology itself, but finding skilled talent to work with it. There is a growing gap between demand and supply of AI professionals, making talent acquisition a top priority for organizations. There are also increasing discussions around job disruption due to AI. Some estimates suggest that a noticeable percentage of jobs could be impacted. However, at the same time, new roles are being created, particularly in areas related to AI development, deployment, and oversight. In India, investors are showing a preference for companies that have strong AI integration. Sectors without clear AI adoption are becoming less attractive for investment. This indicates that AI is now a key factor in how businesses are evaluated financially. On the education front, new programs focused on AI and robotics are being introduced, including specialized postgraduate degrees. This shows that academic institutions are starting to adapt to industry demand, although the pace of change remains gradual. There is also ongoing discussion about the role of AI in sensitive areas, such as the legal system. The current stance is that AI should assist human decision-making rather than replace it, especially in critical sectors like judiciary. Concerns around AI safety are increasing as well. Experts are warning about the potential risks of highly advanced AI systems if not properly regulated or controlled. This is becoming a significant part of the global conversation around AI development. Another emerging issue is the authenticity of content. With the rise of AI-generated media, there are concerns about trust and credibility. Organizations using AI-generated images or content risk damaging their reputation if transparency is not maintained. Finally, there is a visible shift from experimentation to execution. AI initiatives are moving from idea stages into real-world prototypes and products, indicating that the technology is entering a more mature and practical phase. These were the key AI updates from the last 24 hours.